Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the world of video editing and how you can turn this valuable skill into a service that clients will love. Video editing is the process of taking raw video footage and transforming it into a polished, engaging final product. It involves cutting and arranging clips, adding music, effects, transitions, text, and adjusting color and sound. The goal is to tell a compelling story or convey a clear message that captures the audience's attention. In this video, we are going to talk about how to do video editing service. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. What is video editing? Video editing is the creative process of taking raw video footage and transforming it into a finished product that tells a story, conveys information, or entertains an audience. This involves cutting and arranging clips, adding transitions, effects, soundtracks, voiceovers, color correction, and sometimes graphics or text to enhance the visual and auditory experience. Skilled video editors use specialized software to ensure the final video flows smoothly and engages viewers effectively. As for earning money, there are several ways to turn video editing skills into income. Many people start by offering freelance services to individuals, businesses, and content creators who need help producing professional quality videos for marketing, social media, or personal projects. Others find full-time or part-time work with companies in media, advertising, or entertainment industries. Additionally, creating your own video content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can generate income through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once you build an audience. Experienced editors can also create tutorials or courses to teach others, or sell stock footage and customizable video templates online. With dedication and practice, video editing can become a rewarding career or side hustle that combines creativity with technical skills. Essential video editing skills and tools. Essential video editing skills include a strong understanding of storytelling and pacing to keep viewers engaged, proficiency with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, and the ability to work with audio by adding, syncing, and adjusting soundtracks or voiceovers. Attention to detail is crucial for smooth transitions, color correction, and ensuring visual consistency throughout the video. Creativity helps in adding effects, graphics, and animations that enhance the overall impact. Time management and organization skills are important to handle large projects efficiently and meet deadlines. Familiarity with file formats, compression techniques, and exporting settings ensures videos are optimized for different platforms. As for tools, video editors rely on powerful computers, high-quality monitors for accurate color grading, headphones or speakers for sound editing, and sometimes additional hardware like graphics tablets. Learning these skills and using the right tools can significantly improve the quality of your videos and increase your value as an editor. Types of video editing services you can offer. There are several types of video editing services you can offer, each catering to different audiences and purposes, which allows you to diversify your skill set and client base. One of the most popular services is social media content editing, where you create short, eye-catching videos designed specifically for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. These videos often require fast-paced cuts, trendy effects, engaging captions, and optimized formats to capture viewers' attention quickly and encourage shares or interactions. Another important area is corporate video editing, which involves producing polished and professional videos for businesses. This can include promotional videos, training materials, product demonstrations, internal communications, or event coverage, all of which typically require a clear, formal style and attention to brand guidelines. Wedding and event video editing is a specialized service that focuses on capturing and creatively assembling footage from personal milestones like weddings, birthdays, and other celebrations. These videos aim to tell a heartfelt story, combining highlights, speeches, candid moments, and music to create a memorable keepsake for clients. Lastly, editing videos for YouTube channels is a rapidly growing market where content creators seek help in transforming their raw footage into engaging, well-paced videos. This service often includes adding intros and outros, graphics, sound effects, color correction, and ensuring the video aligns with the creator's style and audience expectations. By offering a range of services across these categories, you can build a flexible and sustainable video editing career that meets diverse client needs. How to find and attract clients. Finding and attracting clients as a video editor involves a mix of building your online presence, networking, and showcasing your skills. One of the easiest ways to start is by creating profiles on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where many businesses and individuals look for video editors. On these sites, it's important to create a clear, professional profile with examples of your work, detailed service descriptions, and competitive pricing to stand out. Beyond freelancing platforms, joining Facebook groups related to video editing, content creation, or small business marketing can help you connect with potential clients who might need your services. Engaging in these communities by offering helpful advice, sharing your work, and responding to job posts can build trust and attract inquiries. Additionally, having a personal website or portfolio with your best projects can impress clients and make it easy for them to see your style and skills. Networking in local meetups, online forums, or LinkedIn also expands your reach. Consistently delivering quality work and asking satisfied clients for referrals or testimonials can further grow your client base over time. Pricing your video editing services. Pricing your video editing services can be tricky because it depends on your skill level, the type of project, and the client's budget. Many editors start by charging hourly rates, which can range from $15 to $75 or more, depending on experience and complexity. Beginners might charge lower rates to build a portfolio, while experienced editors can command higher fees. Another common approach is project-based pricing, where you set a flat fee for editing a complete video. This works well for clearly defined projects like wedding videos or social media clips. It's important to consider factors like the length of raw footage, the number of revisions, the complexity of effects or graphics, and deadlines when setting prices. Some editors also offer package deals, bundling multiple videos or services together for a fixed price. Researching competitors and understanding your value will help you set fair, competitive rates. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your prices to reflect your expertise and the quality you deliver. Managing client expectations and communication. Managing client expectations and communication is crucial to building a successful video editing career and ensuring client satisfaction. From the start, it's important to clearly discuss project details, deadlines, deliverables, and pricing, so both you and the client have a shared understanding. Setting realistic timelines and explaining what is included in your service, like the number of revisions or the scope of edits, helps prevent misunderstandings later. Regular updates during the editing process keep clients informed and involved, making them feel valued and reducing anxiety about the project's progress. When clients provide feedback, listen carefully and respond professionally, even if you disagree, and try to find solutions that satisfy their needs while maintaining your creative standards. Delivering the final work on time or ahead of schedule builds trust and shows your reliability. If unexpected delays occur, communicate promptly and honestly, offering new timelines and explaining the reasons. Ultimately, consistent, clear communication and meeting or exceeding deadlines contribute greatly to client satisfaction, encouraging repeat business and positive referrals. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.